Now, these controllers could be a real game changer for Apple Vision Pro gaming, because these are the first third-party controllers for the Apple Vision Pro that promise to allow you to play all SteamVR games with the Apple Vision Pro without base stations, because these controllers track themselves with 2 cameras per controller. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the Surreal Touch controllers hardware. I'm going to install them for the first time, and you're going to see my first impressions of the controllers. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video, because all of this goodness is coming up. I'm glad that you're back here on the channel. My name is Sebastian, and if you're excited about the Apple Vision Pro and VR in general, then absolutely subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. Alright, let's unbox the Surreal Touch controllers. Here, these are still prototypes, so this is most likely not going to be the official box, right? So yeah, anyways, let's have a look at them. And the very first impression that I have is like, wow, the quality is so high. The build quality, it just could be a Meta controller, or it could be an Apple Vision Pro controller made by Apple. It just feels super high quality, and that was the first thing that I felt. I was simply surprised by the high quality. Just look at that. Look at the build quality. Yeah, very, very surprising. They just feel right. So that is a well done here. Congrats, Surreal Touch. So what you're looking at right now are the 2 cameras. Each controller has 2 cameras, and according to these cameras, they can track themselves in space. So no base stations needed. They will track behind your back as well, just like the Touch Pro controllers from Meta. So really cool technology. And yeah, of course you don't want base stations, right? And yeah, probably you do want to track behind your back. We have a USB-C port here, and that is used for charging the controllers. Yeah, very nice. So very, very good first impression in terms of build quality. And you know what? These controllers feel like they could come out of the same factory as the Meta controllers, for example. They feel so good. All right, so how expensive are those controllers, and when can you buy them? So Surreal Touch is going to start a Kickstarter in around 3 weeks, and the super early bird price is $250. And you know what? If those controllers work as advertised, I believe that price is fine. Think about the Touch Pro controllers. They cost like $300, and well, if you can play all of your SteamVR games with that and see how that matches, like is from the design standpoint, I believe that $250 is a good price. And if you want to secure that super early bird price, you can do so by putting yourself in a mailing list. And the mailing list is down in the description of this video. If you put your Kickstarter email, you will automatically secure the best price, and there's absolutely no risk in doing so. So let's compare that with the Meta Quest 3 controllers. Here they are, and yeah, very similar of course. But what's interesting, if you put them next to each other, you will see that the Surreal Touch controllers are actually a bit bigger than the Meta Quest 3 controllers. And for my big hands, that is actually very nice to see. But in terms of quality, in terms of build quality, there's absolutely no difference, and that is truly surprising in my opinion for a company that we have not heard from yet. Surreal Touch, they come out swinging here, and that's really good to see. And yeah, well, tracking themselves with cameras. Very nice. So yeah, that is the A/B comparison with the Meta Quest 3 controllers. They could come out of the same factory in terms of the build quality and the actual feel of the controllers. But you know what? Now it's time to install the Vision OS app, the Surreal Touch app, and simply get a game on and try them out. Let's do it. Alright, now you see what I see in the Apple Vision Pro. Here are the controllers. This is my computer, and now let's start the Surreal Link app. There it is. And it directly says connected to Surreal Touch. And now The only thing I have to do is start streaming. And here directly you see ALVR. It starts already here. Did you see that? And I click on connect. And now, yep, okay, I'm ALVR. Wow, this works really well. It's so simple. And now and here I am. And here I am. Wow, this was simple. Check this out. Here I am now in VR. The controllers directly work. And wow, that was really simple. Nice. Let's play something. All right, I'm here in 11 Table Tennis. And 11 Table Tennis is normally just the game to show if a controller in VR is viable. So far it feels really good. Yeah, let's do this. So I'm sitting. This is of course not ideal for this game, right? But yeah, what can I say? It works. All right. Yeah, well, the lack of being able to play table tennis has nothing to do with the controllers, but this is truly normally a fantastic test, you know, to see if you can use a controller. Oops, there was my microphone there. If you can use a controller in VR, and yeah, for the first impressions, this looks good, even though the cat is winning here, but this is just about the feeling of the controllers, right? And yeah, oh wow, I have to put my microphone out of the way there. Yeah, okay, cool. This works well. And again, I'm just like so surprised that everything just works out of the box with ALVR, you know? So that is good news for everyone who's interested in PC VR gaming here with the Apple Vision Pro. Wow, very nice. Well done, Surreal Touch. Okay. And here we are on the balcony. Yeah, wow. This is so good in the Apple Vision Pro. Wow. This green, you know, to see this in OLED is absolutely fantastic. Uh-oh, it seems like I have to replay Alyx now. This is good. And these controllers do exactly what I hope they would do. They simply allow me to play SteamVR games. This is so cool. Wow. And they work out of the box. No, this is a really, really good first impressions video. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Okay, good. Perfect. Nice. Very nice. I love what I'm seeing here. And the great thing is they track themselves. They will even track themselves behind your back. So just like the Oculus Touch Pro. Very cool. So let's try something else. Okay, so this also I should play standing actually, but it's okay. Let's stretch a bit here. And you know, this is also just such a great game. And also, it's also good for showing off how well the controllers would work here. But again, I will bring you that Beat Saber video for sure. And yeah, so this also works really well. So for my first impressions here, wow, Surreal Touch is killing it here. So this could really be a game changer for Apple Vision Pro gaming. If you want to play, well, I already have to stand up here. If you want to play SteamVR games, and yeah, you want to, because this looks incredible in the Apple Vision Pro. Very cool. All right, now there was a really convincing first impression here of the Surreal Touch controllers. They exactly do what they promise. It was set up in a moment, it directly worked just as I expected, and I could play all the games that I just tried to play without any problem. Really nice. So the company is going to start a Kickstarter, and this is going to happen in like 3 weeks time. Until that time, I'm going to bring you more videos. I'm going to check out all the games that you want to see with these controllers, and then like probably a week before the campaign starts, I'm going to give you my final review, but it's going to be some kind of rolling review where you can simply join me and watch it. So first impressions, amazing. These are going to set you back $250. That's the early bird price, and you can secure that early bird price now simply by putting your Kickstarter email into their newsletter. So all the people who are on that newsletter, they will get the best price, $250 guaranteed. So there's absolutely no harm in putting your Kickstarter address into that newsletter address. And well, the link is down in the description of this video. So then if you decide to get them, you will get them at their super early bird price for $250. And I think there's absolutely no harm in putting your email down into that mailing list. You'll get first grabs of the Surreal Touch controllers at a best price. And wow, I really like them. That's a very good first impression here of the controllers. So if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV, absolutely do that now, because I'm going to give you more content here with the controllers. As I told you, I'm going to try all the games that you want me to try. So do let me know in the comment section, which games do you want dedicated videos with me using the Apple Vision Pro and the Surreal Touch controllers to try out your favorite SteamVR game. Do let me know in the comment section. Also, the link to the mailing list is in the comment section for you to secure the best price of the Surreal Touch controllers. So I believe that's then settled for this first video. Again, very positive first impressions, and I'm looking forward to find out what games you want me to play. And yeah, subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you think this was helpful for you. And you know what? I'm looking forward to see you in the next video, and probably in the comment section and on the MRTV Discord server, because there we can also discuss those controllers. So looking forward to see you there. Also, link is down in the description of this video. That's everything that I got for this video. I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.